Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly and I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. I'm gonna do a fridge clean with me, a deep clean with me. It actually happened at the best time because I woke up the other night and the fridge was off, and it must have been off for the whole day, and everything went bad in the fridge. So although it was very sad and very wasteful, it really gave me a chance to look inside there and see how disgusting and how badly our fridge needed a deep clean. So I hope this gives you a little bit of cleaning motivation. Come along with me. I am 31 weeks pregnant, so I move a little bit slow and might need a little bit of help from my husband. But we're gonna get this fridge cleaned out. It's so gross and so embarrassing. I'm sorry you guys have to see it, but that's just real life. We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud. Okay, so let's just jump right in. This is what my fridge looked like before we had to clean it out. And it was so sad. A lot of this went bad, but honestly, half of it needed to go anyway, so I was okay with it. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. Alright, so all the food is out and I don't know what this is. I think it's soy sauce, but it's absolutely disgusting and I'm embarrassed. These are the products I'm going to use in the fridge. I like to keep it pretty natural. I do have an adhesive remover, but as you can see, I'm going to use it on the outside of the fridge. Okay, so I used this remover on the outside of the fridge, but it was a total fail. I tried to get the tape off after I hung up some of Elle's artwork, and the goop is just still there. Please let me know if you have any tips. Leave it in the comments below. I'm going to start by removing anything that can come out of the fridge so it's easier for me to get a good wipe down on the base of it. And then I'll let those things soak while I scrub the back. We're young and wild and free. Do you remember that life we had together? We can fall in love, we can fall in love, we can fall in love again. And by soak, I mean have my husband help me out. He actually volunteered to help me wipe out the drawers and clean them out, so I definitely took him up on that. I know, hubby of the year. While he's doing that, I took the baking soda and sprinkled it on the inside of the fridge so I can give it a good wipe down and use the baking soda as kind of a grit to get all the gunk out. Just wanna find out. Come on, let's take that climb. We can fall in love, we can fall in love, we can fall in love again, again. We can fall in love.
the baking soda and water out, I'm just taking the Mrs. Meyer spray and giving everything a good spray down. Okay guys, it's drying time, and right now it's a family affair. Elle wanted to help out so badly, so we just plopped her up on her little helper stool, and she got down cleaning the fridge. I'm so proud of her. When you're heading down, when it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high, and it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend. Again and again, we'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together.
Alright guys, that's it for my fridge deep clean. It feels so much better. Now I have a fresh start to add some fresh food in there. If you guys like these types of videos, please let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.